Hello and Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your social studies teacher, Ms. Rakhshanda. Students, as you know that we have started our chapter natural disasters, and in the previous session we learned about the floods. And in our today's session we will learn about another natural disaster, that is volcano. So let's have a quick review of the previous session first about floods. We learned that flood is an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limit, and especially over dry land. Now, floods are caused by surplus water in a river, and it can be due to heavy rainfall and excessive melting of snow and glaciers. Then we learn about the damages caused by flood, that they cause damage or they harm to humans and animals. Then houses and properties are destroyed, roads and highways are blocked, crops are destroyed. Okay, how to cope with flood? We learn as a government official that government officials should create awareness among the people. They should identify the flood-prone areas and discourage construction in them. Then, as an individual students, it is our duty that we should make sure that everybody is helped, and we should prioritize emergencies and deal with them. Okay, now let's start with our today's topic, that is volcano. Students, what is volcano? A volcano is a rupture in the Earth's crust. Yes, what is Earth's crust? We have learned in class 6 about 3 layers of the Earth. So right now we are talking about the Earth's crust, that is the thinnest layer of the Earth, outermost layer of the Earth, that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber. You also learn about the other 2 layers, mantle and the core, and you know the magma is present inside the earth, so it actually comes through these cracks, okay, through the rupture below the surface. Now look at this picture. See, it's a cross section of a volcano. You can see the layers of the earth, okay, rock or layers of the earth crust, and magma is present inside here in magma chamber, or you would say magma reservoir, and it comes through this pipe, okay, and it comes out and then it becomes lava. Yes, but when it is inside the earth, we call it the magma, and when it comes out and starts flowing, so we said it's lava. Okay, lava flow. Students, you can see an ash cloud here also. Okay, crater, this point we call crater. This is vent, 2 vents you can see here. This is side vent, and you can see this one also. Then here is the parasitic cone. Okay, students, this is called sill. Now let's have a look on another picture. See, again you can see it's a magma reservoir. Okay, then it's sill. These are lava, the you would say the cool the layers of the lava, and then the parasitic cone, vent, here, then ash cloud you can see at the top, crater, lava flow, and this is your conduit pipe. Okay, how volcanoes are formed, how they are formed. Students, they are formed in 3 different ways. Number one, that when convergent and divergent plates move. You have already learned about that the plates, the tectonic plates are moved in 3 different ways. In class 6, you have learned. So the convergent and divergent plates, when they move, so again the volcanoes form. Volcano can be formed by the movement of these 2 types of tectonic plates, convergent and divergent. Then second is that there are hot spots and there are the permanent cracks in the Earth's crust, and magma sometimes comes to the surface through these cracks. And then the third is stretching and thinning of the Earth's crust creates many weak spots. Okay, look at this map of the world, students. In this map, you can see these red square boxes. These shows you different volcanoes across the world. Yes, you can see here also in Africa to see, then move here towards the Europe side, so you can see here, then again this towards the Pacific Ocean, you can see a circle type chain here, and again towards here, towards this side of Pacific Ocean. So this makes the ring of fire also, and inshallah we will learn about the ring of fire also. So volcanoes are you can see how they are present on the map of the world. Okay, on the basis of their activity, volcanoes are divided into three types. Okay, number one is active volcano, second dormant, and third extinct volcano. Look at the active volcano, student. An active volcano is one that has erupted recently and will probably erupt again soon. And the examples are Mount Etna, Stromboli in Italy, and Kilauea in Hawaii, and are active volcanoes. You can see the pictures here. See? Okay, another type of volcano is dormant volcano, and it's also called sleeping volcano. It's the one that has not erupted for some time, but there are signs of activity inside the volcano, and there are chances of eruption sooner or later. Examples are here Mount Helens in Washington, Mauna Kea in Hawaii, and city Cidades in Portugal. Examples you can see here with their pictures, dormant volcano. Then third type of volcano, students, are called extinct volcanoes or dead volcanoes. And they have not erupted for a long time, and it is unlikely that it will erupt again or they'll erupt again. Mount Kenya in Africa, the Bavarian Emperor Sea Mountain in the Pacific Ocean, okay, and another volcano. Examples of extinct volcanoes. See in it's Mount Kenya, okay. Then see, you can see this whole chain. Okay, this is called Wavin Emperor Simon chain, and it is in the Pacific Ocean. See here. Okay, students, here are two video links given for you, and you will watch these videos. They will help you a lot to understand more about volcanoes and its types. Okay, here are your tasks to do that you are going to do in your copy. You are going to label this diagram. You can see here 4 words. Okay, you are going to write these words at their respective places. Then it's another question. You are going to complete this given table by writing the definitions and the examples of 3 types of volcanoes: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Okay, thank you, students, for today. That's it for today. Inshallah, we will meet soon. So till then, Allah Hafiz.